Today's video is all about Hamster Kombat, and if you've been part of the journey so far, a huge congratulations to you. While Season the 1st of May have concluded, this is just the beginning of what's to come. Season 2 is already on the horizon, and trust me, you're going to want to be ready for it. But before we dive into that, let's address some concerns and exciting updates surrounding Season 1's rewards and the upcoming airdrop. What about the rewards? I know many of you have been anxiously wondering, where's the payout from Season 1? Well, let me assure you, there's no reason to panic. The rewards are on their way, and your dedication during Season 1 will soon pay off. Here's what's happening. The snapshot of your progress has already been taken, which means all of your assets in Hamster Kombat are being transformed into hamster coins. These coins will be yours to claim through your linked wallet or preferred exchange, allowing you to see the fruits of your labor. And here's the best part, the airdrop isn't far off. While some of you may be feeling impatient, rest easy knowing that the distribution is expected before the 26th of this month. That means the official listing is right around the corner, and the moment you've been waiting for is almost here. So stay alert and keep an eye on your account because the big release could drop at any moment. With Season 1 in the books and rewards soon to be in your hands, Season 2 promises to be even more thrilling. Keep grinding and prepare for the next phase of this exciting journey. There's been a bit of panic within the community lately. Some players have received a notification saying they've been caught cheating. Hamster Kombat recently introduced new cards and achievements, and for some, it led to accusations of foul play. If you're one of the affected players, don't stress too much. Hamster Kombat tweeted about the importance of fair play, and while some have seen these notifications, it's likely related to how certain cards were used. Remember, this is a competitive space. The developers want to ensure a level playing field. If you didn't qualify for this season's airdrop, don't lose heart. Season 2 is coming, and with it, a fresh opportunity to claim rewards. Stay committed, play fair, and you'll be set for the next round. Now, let's talk about the much anticipated results. By the 26th, the hamster coins you've accumulated will be ready for claiming. Whether it's 1 billion or 1 trillion, your total coin balance will be reflected and transferable to your connected wallet. But here's the catch, it's not about your current balance, but the total coins you've accumulated since joining. So, don't worry if you've spent some along the way, your full earning potential is what counts. One of the most exciting features in Hamster Kombat is how it chronicles every step of your adventure, right from the day you joined. It's a nostalgic look back at the journey we've all been on. From the brain-teasing cipher codes to those late-night battles where you and your friends were hustling to unlock combo cards. Every win, every challenge, and every strategy that helped you push forward is part of this unique history. The game has immortalized your progress, allowing you to see exactly how far you've come. Not only will you be able to view how many days you've been in the game, but you'll also get to check out the number of cards you've upgraded throughout your journey. Personally, I've logged an impressive 87 days on my account, and I've managed to upgrade a massive 1924 cards, a testament to the countless hours and effort put in. What about you? How many cards have you upgraded, and how many days have you dedicated to Hamster Kombat? I'd love to hear your numbers, so drop them in the comments below. Season 1 has been an incredible ride, filled with challenges and memorable moments. From teaming up with friends to conquer difficult tasks to the joy of unlocking powerful cards, each memory has contributed to this unforgettable journey. And with Season 2 around the corner, I'm excited to see where this adventure will take us next. What's next before Season 2? Let's dive into the exciting new update. We've now entered what Hamster Kombat is calling the Interlude, a crucial phase to prepare for the upcoming Season 2. During this interlude, you'll notice some intriguing new additions, like diamonds and skins, now available for purchase. But the big question is, what exactly do these diamonds do? Here's the scoop. These diamonds are much more than shiny collectibles. They're designed to give you a significant advantage in Season 2. Completing tasks during this interlude phase will earn you diamonds, which can be stockpiled and used strategically when the new season begins. Think of it as building your arsenal ahead of time. These diamonds will provide you with a head start, setting you up for success once Season 2 officially kicks off. While we're not in Season 2 just yet, this interlude is your opportunity to gear up and sharpen your skills. By earning diamonds now, you're essentially giving yourself a leg up on the competition. And with new skins also available, this is the perfect time to customize your character and prepare for the next round of epic battles. Consider this phase a bridge between the two seasons, a chance to regroup, build up your resources, and be ready to hit the ground running when the real action starts. So, don't sleep on the interlude. It's your opportunity to ensure you're fully prepared for the challenges and excitement that await in Season 2. The countdown to Season 2 is on, and the excitement is building, but what exactly can we expect? While Hamster Kombat is keeping many of the juicy details under wraps, there are a few things we can anticipate based on the momentum from Season 1. If that season's success is anything to go by, Season 2 is set to be even more epic. Many of you might remember how the coins from similar projects were listed with prices starting around $1, giving early adopters a solid head start. However, despite the promising listing price, the distribution system in those projects was flawed, leaving some players with only minimal earnings, even after significant effort. That's where Hamster Kombat aims to stand out. Season 2 is promising a much more robust and rewarding system for players. The team has taken note of the issues with past projects and is committed to improving the reward distribution to make sure everyone's contributions are fairly recognized. Whether you're a seasoned player or a newcomer, Season 2 will likely offer more opportunities for earning, more ways to strategize, and a more balanced playing field. And while we don't have all the specifics just yet, the buzz around Hamster Kombat suggests that we can expect new features, upgraded gameplay mechanics, and perhaps even new cards or items that will push the competitive edge even further. So, get ready. Whether it's through better coin distributions or exciting new gameplay elements, Season 2 is shaping up to be something you won't want to miss. Keep your eyes peeled for more announcements as we edge closer to the start of this new chapter in the Hamster Kombat saga. So, are you sticking with Hamster Kombat, or are you moving on? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Remember, when the claim button becomes available, I'll be making a detailed video on how to claim your coins, how to trade them, and much more. As always, I'm so grateful for the support you've shown on this channel. From the days of ciphers to today, it's been an incredible journey. If you're new here, welcome. And I'd love for you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. We're gearing up for Season 2, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's coming next.